Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen eggs fast. We're going to achieve those perfectly marinated, soft-boiled eggs you love, but in a fraction of the usual time. The secret lies in precise cooking and a quick cool down. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create these flavorful additions to your ramen or even enjoy them as a standalone snack. Get ready to elevate your egg game in under 15 minutes. First, let's get that perfect soft boil. Bring a pot of water to a vigorous, rolling boil. Carefully, using a slotted spoon, lower your eggs into the boiling water. Set a timer for precisely 6.5 minutes. This timing is crucial for that jammy, custardy yolk. While they are cooking, make sure you have an ice bath ready and waiting. It's essential for the next step. Once your 6.5 minutes are up, immediately transfer the eggs from the hot water into your ice bath. This rapid cooling stops the cooking process instantly, preventing overcooked yolks. Let them chill for at least 5 minutes until they are completely cool to the touch. For the easiest peeling experience, crack the shell gently all around and peel them under a slow stream of cold running water. The shells will practically slide right off. Now for the flavor. In a small container, combine 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of mirin, and 1/4 cup of water. Gently place your perfectly peeled eggs into this marinade. For a quick flavor infusion, let them soak for a minimum of 15 minutes. If you have a little more time and desire a richer, more intense taste, you can extend the marinating period up to 2 hours. Enjoy your delicious, fast ramen eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.